What is the ego? I can be free of suffering today. So it's pretty phenomenal as a beautiful concept as it is, just simply to say that you can be free of suffering today. It's a beautiful thing. That sounds quite dandy and lovely, doesn't it? Well, it is a massive thing. We like to think of this as, oh, I'm just the Christ here. Yes, oh, it's beautiful. I accepted it. Oh, it's happening. Oh, yes. Now I'm going to go throughout my day, do my normal stuff, kind of argue with the same normal people, but I forgive them. It's so much bigger. It's so much bigger. And this is massive. This is world altering. This is literally dimensional transformation. This is shifting reality into a whole nother plane of existence. It's huge. It is huge. And it's not just a tiny idea. And I can't emphasize it enough. That even just to think, to be free of suffering, this is because of what everything you know is heaven. And yet you are suffering in hell every day. You're in pain. You're in disorientation. You're diseased. You're scared. You're fearful. You're wearing masks. You're covering yourself up. You're muffling yourself. You're feeding yourself. You're eating. All of this stuff is weird. All of this stuff is because you hurt. It's because you're suffering. It doesn't matter if it's you're hungry or you have COVID. Makes no difference. You're suffering. You're uncomfortable. You're in pain. You have urges that are not satisfied. This is all suffering. And if you think it's just, I can just be happy about it. Yeah, sure. That's on the journey. Yeah. But we're talking literal transformation of your entire reality. No joke. Entirely. Absolutely. We're talking a world that has no pain and no suffering. That only love, peace, joy. This is phenomenal. This is huge. And I can't express it enough. And I feel like if I say too much about it, it just waters it down. Just remember and remind yourself, every little step is a step to that massive transformation. I have to keep doing the little forgivenesses. These are perfect. Don't give up just because you haven't made it to the huge thing yet. Little steps, little forgiveness here, let it go. It's okay if it's not instant. You can do it after the big blowout, but after the big fight, that's fine. Makes no difference about time. Just learn to let it go, learn to see past it, learn to free yourself. Just take these little steps and you'll get there. Just remember that you're not there until that massive transformation, quite literally experience a transparent and illuminated reality unto this one. No lies, no jokes, no fake in it, none of that. Absolute fact from firsthand experience. You will see it when it happens. You will know it's there. And of course, if you need more, we need more. We need more help. That's why I'm here. Right? If you need to keep applying, keep getting reminders, that's what the Course in Miracles Intensive is all about. Getting more in depth. Right? Taking it more seriously, getting more involved. Getting 3 discussions on each and a meditation and a prayer, the reading, it's all there. It's fantastic. But you're going to a complete transformation of your entire existence. That is no small little, oh, I feel good. Oh, I feel at peace. Okay? Don't make it into that.